Hi everyone, welcome to today's session on IBPS Prelims Mock Test 16 Quantitative Aptitude Section Analysis. Paper discussion C 36 to 70 are your QA questions. So the line graph shows number of small animals and number of big animals. Elephant, giraffe, rhino and buffalo found in 4 different national parks of India: H, K, G, Gir and the other park. Except these 4 animals given in bigger animals list, all are considered as smaller animals. Read the given information. Total animals in Kaziranga National Park is approximately what percentage more or less than number of smaller animals in Guindi National Park? If you observe here, total animals in Kaziranga. Total animals in Kaziranga is how much? It is 1120 plus 960. 1120 plus 960 is 2080. Small animals in Guindi in National Park. How much? This is small animals. Small animals in Guindi and National Park. Guindi National Park is how much? It is how much? 1680. 1680. So 1680. 2080 is what percentage more than 2080, 1680. What is different? 400. How much? 2080, 1680. What is difference? 400. 400. Am I correct? 400 by 1680 into 100. Into 100. So how much I am going to get? Here if you simplify, 0, 0 cancel. So I will get 8 5s, 8 21s. So approximately it is how much? 20, because 5 4s are 20. 1 by 4 means 25%. 25%. Am I correct? It is 8 5s, 8 21s. So 5 by 500 by 21. 500 by 21. 21, 24s are 504. So approximately 24%. 24%. Now next question. Number of elephants, giraffes, rhino and buffalo in Hemis Park is in arithmetic progression. The ratio of number of elephants to buffalo is 17:19. Then find the number of rhino in this park is what percentage of bigger animals of Gir National Park. So elephant, giraffe, rhino and buffalo, they are in arithmetic progression. So it is A minus D and it is A plus D and it is A plus 2D. And this total sum in Hemis National Park is how much? 1080. 1080. This total sum is how much? 1080. So if I add all the values, I will get 1080. So A plus A plus A plus A is 4A. So 4A, am I correct or not? So it is 4A plus 2D minus D plus D cancel. 4A plus 2D is 1080. 1080. So from this I can say 2A plus D is equal to 540. And the ratio of number of elephants to buffalo. And it is already given that elephants to buffalo, A minus D by A plus 2D. This ratio is 17:19. If you simplify this, how much you are going to get? 19A minus 17A, 2A. So 2A is equal to, so 19 plus 34, 53. So 2A is equal to 53D. Therefore 53D plus D, 54D, D is equal to 10. D is equal to 10. If D is 10, what would be A? Because D is 10 means A would be 265. A would be 265. Now it is asked number of Renos in this park. Number of Renos in this park is 265 plus 10, 275. Is what percentage of bigger animals in the Gir park? Bigger animals in the Gir park is how much? 1100. 1100. So 275 is what percentage of 1100? So two zeros cancel. 1125 is 275. So answer is 25%. Option A. Now, question number 38. Number of deer in Kaziranga National Park is 25% of total smaller animals in this national park. Then find the ratio between smaller. Then find the ratio between smaller animals except deer in Kaziranga. So deers are how many? 25%. So except deer, remaining are 75%. 75% of how much it is? 75% of 1120. 75% of 1120 is 3/4 of 1120. Thereby, I will get 840. 840. 3 into 280. 840. So 840 are smaller animals except deers. So now it is asked for bigger. So find the ratio of smaller animals except deer in Kaziranga to bigger animals in Gindi National Park. So in Gindi it is how much? 840. So 840 is to 840. The ratio is 1:1 here. 1:1 here. Now next, find the average number of animals in Hemis and Gir National Park. So bigger and smaller, you have to take 1280 plus 1080. This is Hemis. And Gir National Park, it is 1100 and 880. We have to take the average. So how much you are going to get? It is total 4340 divided by 2. So how much we are going to get? 2170. 2170. 2170 is the option. Now question number 40. Total small animals in Gir Gindi National Parks together are how much more or less than total bigger animals in Hemis and Gir National Park together? So it is 880 plus 1680 minus the difference 1080 plus 1100. This difference is asked. So how much? 16? So you will get how much? 380. 380. So answer is option B. Answer is option B. Next question number 41. 41. A mixture of milk and water has 62% milk content. Another mixture has 17% water content. What quantity of mixture of 62% milk content is mixed with 8 liter of mixture of 83% milk content to prepare a new mixture of 69% content? So please see here, please understand here what is given. A mixture of milk and water has 62%. First mixture has 62%. Second mixture 17% water, so 83% milk. What quantity of mixture of 62% milk content is mixed with 8 liters of 83% milk content to prepare a new mixture of 69%. So this is cheaper, this is dearer, and the mean is 69%. So what is the ratio? 83 minus 16, 14, 69 minus 62, 2. 14 is to 7. But this 7 is given as, okay, this 7 is given as 8 liters. It is given as 8 liters. Then 14 would be how much? If 7 is 18, 14 would be 16. So answer is 16 liters. Answer is 16 liters. The average age of 8 students in a class is 22.5. So the sum of 8 is how much? 22.5 into 8, which is 180. When 2 new students join them, the average is increased by 5. So sum of 10 would be the average increased by 2.5. So it becomes 25 for all 10, which is 250. Now again, when another 2 students are included, the average is further increased by 1 year. So now you have how much? 11 further increased by 1. 26 into 11, 286. Find the average age of all new students. So here it is 70, here 180 to 286. So thereby what happened here? So in total you have how many new students? The total number of new students are here how many? 2 new students, sorry, 26 into 12, not 1, it is 2. 26 into 12. 26 into 12 would be how much? Here 312. 312. So 180 becomes 312. There is an increase of 132 in total because of adding 4. So those 4 persons total is 132. Thereby average is 33. Average is 33. So answer is 33. Next. Population of a village is 8192. 8192. Number of males is 27 5 by 9. 27 5 by 9 means how much? 27 nines are 9. 27 nines are. It is how much? 243. 240. Am I correct? 9 27s are 9 20s are 180. 9 7 is 63. So it is 180 plus 63. 243. 243 plus 5. 248. 248. Number of males is 27 5 by 9 percentage more than females in that village. In that village. So please see here number of males. Number of males. So the total number of females, if I take as 100%, then how much do I get? For example, 100x I am taking as females. Then how much do I get males? Males as how much? 100 plus 248 by 9 percentage of 100x. This is nothing but 1148x by 9. And it is given that this and this, male and female together is equal to 8192. So 100x plus 1148x by 9 is equal to 8192. If you simplify this, how much you get? 900 plus this much. So x is equal to 36. X is equal to 36 I am going to get. Thereby now you got males are 100 into females as 100 into 36. 3600 and males are remaining, which is 4592. 4592. Now please see here 45% of females and 75% of males speak local language. So female speaking local language. Female speaking local language is how much? 45% of 3600. How much it is? 1620. Male speaking local language is 75% of 4592, which is 3444. 3444. Now it is given females who speak Hindi are 337 more than males who do not speak local language. So here males who do not speak local language is difference of these two. So female speaking Hindi is how much? 337 more than the difference of 4592 and 3444. So 4592 minus 3444. If you add all these things, you will get 1485 females who are speaking Hindi. And male speaking Hindi. So the ratio of male speaking to female speaking Hindi is 7:11. So you can say it is 7:11. So it is 11 parts is 1485. 11 parts is 1485 means each part is how much? 135. 7 into 135. 7 into 135 is 945. 7 into 135 is 945. So male speaking Hindi is 945. Female speaking Hindi is 1485. Every people of the village speak one of the three languages, local language, Hindi or Dogri. So here female speaking Dogri, total 3600. Out of that 1620 speak local language and 1485 speak Hindi. The remaining are 495 who are speaking Dogri females. Male Dogri, out of 4592, male speaking 3444 and male speaking Hindi 945. The remaining are how much? 203. Okay, so 203 are male speaking Dogri. This is the information we have taken. Now total speaking Hindi in that village is what percentage number of females in that village? Total speaking Hindi is how much? So the question here is 1485 plus 945 divided by total females 3600 is what percentage? So it is nothing but see 1485 plus 945. It is 2430. Am I correct? 2430 is what percentage of 3600? This is the question. It is 2425. It is 2530. 2530. 2530. Am I correct? 14 plus 9, 23. 2300 plus 130. 2430 only. It is 2430. 2430 is what percentage of 3600? If you see here, you will get 00 cancel, right? And it is how many times? 9 how many times? 9 27s are 9 40s are, right? And here how many 22s are? 25s are. So it is how much? 67.5. 67.5%. So answer is 67.5. 67.5. Next, find the difference between average number of people speaking Hindi and Dogri together and female speaking local language. Already we have calculated the average values 1485 and 495. Divide by 2 has to be subtracted from 1620. Then how much do I get? 1620 minus 990, which is nothing but 630. So answer is 630. Answer is 630. Now question number 45. 75% of males speaking local language. Male speaking local language is 3444 are doing agriculture, while the remaining of males are doing job and business in the ratio 4:3. 4:3. So total 4592. Out of that 75% of 3444. So how much you are going to get now here? If you subtract this from this, I am going to get how much? It is 2009. 2009. Now it is given that the people doing job and business in the ratio 4 is to 3, total 7 parts. So 4 by 7th of 2009 is what percentage of total males? 4592. 4592. So what is the value you are going to get here? If you simplify, how much? Is it divisible? 7, how many times? 728 are 196. 728 are 196. 7 7s are 49. So 287. 287. Now how much you are going to get here? 287 how many times? 16 times. 4 times. So answer is 25%. 25%. It is 25%. Next. Question number 46. Find the ratio of male speaking local language. So female speaking local language is 1620. Total number of male speaking Hindi and Dogri together. Hindi is 945 males and 495 is Dogri. So it is 1620 is to 1440. 0 0 cancel. So 18 9s are 18 8s are. 9 is to 8 is the answer. Then question number 47. Find the average females speaking Hindi and Dogri language together and males who do not speak local language. So please see here. It is nothing but 3600 minus 1620 plus 4592 minus 3444 divided by 2. So how much you are going to get here? 1980 plus 1148 divided by 2. So 1980 plus 1148, it is how much? It is average would be 1564. 1564. So answer is option C. Answer is option C. Now 48 to 55 are based on simplifications. So 18 plus 1/3 of 27 is 9. 18 plus 9, 27. 27 minus half is 26 and half. 26 and half means answer is none of this. Next. 52 divided by half of 8. So half of 8 is 4. 52 by 4 is 13. 13 plus 3 by 5 into 5 by 3. So plus 1. So answer is 14. Answer is 14. Next. 40 minus 2 into 5, 10. So 9 by 2. So you will get 2. So here 40 minus 10, 30 plus 5, 35. 35 minus 2, 33. 33 is the answer. 125% of 36 is 45. 225% of 44 is how much? 99. 99 plus 45 is 144. 144. Next. 10368. 10368 divided by 8 into 4. So if you see here, 18 how many times? 18 5s are 90. Am I correct? So what you are going to get in the inside, it is nothing but root 2304. Root 2304, which is 48. Which is 48. Then question number 53. 53. So if you observe here, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 4, 22. So 5 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So the answer, am I correct? 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So answer must end with 2. All options. So you can apply digital sum. 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. And then 5 plus 4, 9. So here 7 remaining. Here 3 plus 8, 11 means 2. So 7 plus 2, 9 cancel, 0. Now 2 plus 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So the total digital sum is 0. Where you have digital sum 0? In the 53rd question, if you see 8 plus 8, 16 plus 2, 17. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 means digital sum is 0. It is satisfying. Option B is correct. Now, how much percent of 400 plus, you can apply digital sum here. 8 plus 2, 1. 1 into 5, digital sum is 5. So, 4 into 6, 24, 6. So, 8, this must have 4 into 2. Where you have digital sum 2? Option D. Option D has digital sum. Am I correct or not? 54th question. 54th question, option D. The digital sum 2 is there only for 56. That's the reason I have taken option D as correct. Next, how much cube is equal to 3 by 7th of? 3 by 7th of 1771. So how much you'll get here? How many times? How much it is? 7 2 ja 14. 725 ja 175. 253 ja. 253 into 3 is 759. 759 minus 864 by 16 is 54 into 5 by 9. It is nothing but 9 6 ja. 759 minus 30 is 729. 729 is 9 cube. So answer is A. Answer is A. Then Ravi saves 18% of his income. If his income is increased by 20% and expenditure increased by 112 of the original expenditure, then find the increment in his savings is what percentage of his initial income. Initial income. So please see here, Ravi spends 18% of his income. If his income is 100, his expenditure is 82. His saving is how much? 18. Income increased by 20%, becomes 120. Expenditure increases by 1/12. 1 by 12. So 1 by 12th of 82. So it is how much? 4 3s are how much is 41 by 82? 1 by 12 is increased by 82 by 12. So 4 3, it is how much? 2 6 are 2 41s are 2 41s are. So 82 plus 41 by 26. 6 82s are. It is 492. 492 plus 40. 532 plus 1. 533 by 6. Okay, and 120 minus 533 by 6 is nothing but 67 by 6. 67 by 6. Find the increment in savings. Find the increment in savings. Am I correct? 120 into 6, how much? 720, na? 720 minus 533 is 187. 187. 187 by 6. 187 by 6. So the increment is how much? Difference 187 by 6 minus 6 by 6 by on income. You need to answer. So you please do this. 187 minus 36. 187 minus 36 is how much? 70, 79. Am I correct? 187 minus 18, na? It is not 6, it is 18. 187 minus 108. 108 is nothing but 79. 79. 79 by 6. 79 by 6 percentage here. Where is the answer we have? 79 by 6, which is 13 1 by 6. 13 1 by 6. A alone can do 2/3 of work in 16 days. So total work is how many days? So 2 parts 16, 3 parts 24. 3 parts 18, 3 6 are 4 parts 24. Find the time taken to finish the work together. So both are taking equal time, 24, 24. So it takes half of the time, 12. Now, approximations 58 to 62. If you see here, 120% of 120. 120% of 120 is 144. 70% of 80. 70% of 80 is 56. 196. 196 of x percent of 1000. 196 is x percent of 1000 means, so it is 196. So approximately it is 20. Approximately it is 20% of 1000 is 200. So answer is 20. Next, 1.823 is approximately equal to, I am taking as 2. Round figure. Plus 5 into 7 minus 432 is equal to x minus I am bringing this side 532. So what is the value of x I am going to get here? If you see here, 532 by 432, 100, 137. 137 is the value I am going to get. Next, 43 into 22 by 7. So approximately how much here? It is 42 if I am taking. 7 6 are 42. So I am going to get how much? 132. And 20% of 530. 20% of 530 is 106 minus 43. So it is 238 minus 43, which is 195. 195 is the answer. Next, 23 into 22. 22.98. 23 into 23 is 529. 529. 12 into 8 is 96. So now 529 plus 96 is 625. 625 means 25 square. So answer is 25% of 2000. 25% of 2000 is how much? Actually 1/4 of 2000 is, you can say, see, both are same. X percent of y, y percent of x. So you can say 50% of 2000, which is 1000. Minus one third of 100, 33. This is minus 50. Minus 50. So how much you are going to get? 1000 minus 83 is 917. 917. Next, 63 to 67 based on quadratic. So here I will get x as 11 comma 12. So 112. 112 means how do I get 14 8? 14 8. So I will get y as how much? 14. Am I correct or not? 14 comma 8. So am I correct? Y is 8 comma 40. 8 comma 40. So what is the value of x I got? X I have got as minus 12, 11. So it is minus 11. It is minus 11 comma 12. Y is 8 comma 14. So 12 is greater than 8, but minus 11 is less than 8. So relation can't be established. So option is E. Next, question number 64. 64. So here x is 3 comma 5 and y is how much? 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. So you can say here x is equal to y, 3 3, and x greater than y, 5 greater than minus 1, 5 greater than 3. So x greater than or equal to y. Option B is correct. Next, x square plus 5 root 3x. So what I can do? 2 root 3 plus 3 root 3. 2 root 3 plus 3 root 3. So I got x as minus 2 root 3 and minus 3 root 3. And what about y? What about y? It is 18 only. So same thing. So y is equal to minus 2 root 3, 3 root 3. So here what I can say, y is greater than or equal to x. 3 root 3 is greater than these two, and minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 equal. So y greater than or equal to x. So x less than or equal to y. X less than or equal to y. Option D is correct. Next, 2x square minus x minus 3. So from this, x is equal to how much? 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 means same thing, minus 3 plus 2. So I will get how much? 3 by 2 comma minus 1. 435 is a 140. 140, how do I get? 14 tens are. Thereby, I will get y as 5 by 2 comma 7 by 2. 5 by 2 comma 7 by 2. So now here y is definitely more than x. So x is less than y. X is less than y. Now 67th question. 2 6 are 12. 4 and 3. So thereby x is 4 by 2 and how much? 3 by 2. 4 by 2 and 3 by 2. That is 2 and 3 by 2. And 2 by 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Thereby y is equal to here. How much you are going to get? Minus 1 by 2 comma 1. So here you can say x is definitely more than y. More than y. Next. Distance covered by a jeep in 2 hours is equal to distance covered by a car in 3 hours. Okay. So here train which is 33.33% more faster to car covers 240 kilometers in 3 hours. So speed of train is how much? 240 by 3, which is 80 kilometer per hour. Okay. And here speed of train and speed of car are in the ratio 4:3. If this 4 parts is 80, 3 parts would be 60. So speed of car is 60 kilometer per hour. Now it is given that speed of jeep is how much? Please see here. Then find the distance covered by the jeep in 5 hours. The distance covered by jeep in 2 hours is equal to distance covered by car in 3 hours. So the ratio is see. Here it is taking 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours. It is taking 3 hours. 2:3. 2:3 is the ratio of time. Thereby speed should be in the ratio 3:2. Thereby what I am going to get? 60 into 3 by 2. 60 into 3 by 2 which is 90. Which is 90. So now speed of jeep is 90 kilometer per hour I got. Find the distance covered by the jeep. Distance covered by the jeep in 5 hours. Which is 5 into 90 which is 450. So answer is 450 kilometer. Now next. Sumit's investment is 1.5 times the investment of Sahil and the ratio of the periods of their investment is 2:1. So if Sahil's investment is 1, Sumit's investment is 1.5. Right? And the ratio between their time periods of investment is how much? 2:1. 2:1. So the total profit is in the ratio 2:1.5. So 0.54s are 0.53s are. So total 7 parts. Total 7 parts. And if the share of Sumit in total profit is 7550 more than the share of Sahil in total profit. So this one part, the difference is one part. That one part is 7550. Total profit is 7 parts. So 7 into 7550. 7 into 7550. What is the answer you are going to get? Am I correct or not? 2:1.5 means 4:3. Am I correct? Sumit's investment is 1.5 times the investment of Sahil and the ratio of the time periods of the investment is 2:1. 2:1. So if one is investing for 1.5, Sumit's investment is 1.5 times of Sahil. Sorry. So this is the mistake we have done. The ratio is wrong. Here the ratio is wrong. Please see. It's an easy question. Sumit and Sahil. If Sahil is 1, Sumit is 1.5. Time period is 2, here time period is 3. So here 3 is to 1. Okay. And share of Sumit 3 parts. 3 parts is 7550. What? Share of Sumit in total profit is 7550, more than the share of total profit. Share of Sahil in total profit. So 2 parts. This is more than this 2 parts. If 2 parts is 7550, then total profit is 4 parts. 4 parts will be double of this, which is 15,100. 15,100. So option B is correct. The next question number 70. A, B, C invested in the ratio 7:8:5. They got annual profit of 1,36,800. A and C withdrew their amount at the end of 3 months. So A's capital used for 3 months, B's capital used for 3 months. 3 or 7? At the end of 3 months, it is 7. It is 7. And find the difference between A's and C's profit. So C's capital is used for 12 months. 7:8:5. So if you see here, it is 21:56. 21 is to A and C. Sorry, it is A and C. A and C have withdrawn. A and C have withdrawn. So it is 7 months. It is 12 months. 8 12 is 96. 5 7 35. Now 21 plus 90. How much you are going to get? 96 plus 35. 96 plus 35 is 131. 131. 131 plus 21. 156. 131 plus 21. 152. 152 parts is 1,36,800. Then find the difference between A's and C's share. A and C difference is how much? 14 parts. So 14 into 1,36,800 divided by 152. So how much we are going to get here? So if you see 132, 152 9 times, 1368. 14 into 900 is 12,600. 12,600 is the answer. So option A is correct. So like this, we also have completed paper 16. So we have more 4 mock tests remaining in this IBPS clerical series. So in the next session, I will come up with one more paper discussion session. Thank you. Thank you so much.